menu for today is called zucchini with vegan soup. So we are doing zucchini soup, and we are going to be adding lima beans inside our zucchini soup. So here I have with me here fresh tomatoes and red scotch bonnets, and also have celery, fresh carrots, Irish potatoes, onions, ginger and garlic, spring onions. Here I have my zucchini, lima beans, the cooked one already, sea salt to taste, whole oregano, ground cumin, cayenne pepper, and also fresh pepper. Medium, click, low, and we go.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our Healthy Living shows for more tasty meals all cooked in Salad Master. Stay living. Bye.